What is a named range? I'm not talking about the Cascades or the Rockies. It's a way of remembering in a name you give where data or a formula is stored in the spreadsheet. For example, instead of remembering a cryptic D3, you can give it a name, something like mass of jumper. Another example is this cell and this cell contain exactly the same information. The only difference is the name that we give it. This one's a calculation. This one's just refers to the result of that calculation. With named ranges, you could just give this cell the starting gravitational energy and reassign it as total energy of the system and get rid of this extraneous additional information. So, how do I turn on this function in Google Sheets? Go up to the menu bar, click on Data, go down to, guess what? Named Ranges. And once you've clicked, you will see over here. Now these, of course, I've already put in, and I'll show you how to do that next. So now we talk about defining a cell or cells as a particular range name. So go to the cell that you want, click, make sure it is highlighted, and go over to Add Range. Now make sure you do not put in spaces. I use camel cap, so I would say mass jumper. Make sure I've got the right cell, click Done. That's it. As I mentioned earlier, we have actual redundant definition here. So what we could do using named groups, names ranges, click on that cell, go over to Add Range, and I could call that Start Grav Energy. That cell is still highlighted, so rather than defining this again, let's just give it another name. Add range. Let's call this total system energy. Okay, let's calculate the ending gravitational energy. You can look and see it's a series of identifiers, letter number identifiers, which certainly works if you remember all those. I'm going to erase those and do this. It's our ending height. Notice it put that in for me, times 9.8 times the mass of the jumper. So it remembered all that information, put it in the equation, and that's it.